Clients need more consulting skills from salespeople than ever before, and that requires intelligence, analytic ability, and clarity. Smart people have these attributes in full, but they tend to become bored with the grunt aspect of sales. Digging the trench is not as exciting as in planning the complete reworking of the client's revenue-producing systems. Konnichiwa, and welcome to the Leadership Japan series, and I'm your host in Tokyo, Dr. Greg Story, president of Dale Carnegie Training Japan, and much more importantly, you are a student of leadership, highly motivated to be the best in your business field. If you enjoy the program, then please subscribe on iTunes and leave us a review. We would love to hear what you think about the series. How would you like to earn access to 103 years of the accumulated wisdom of Dale Carnegie Training? Get our free report, Stop Wasting Money on Training, How to Get the Best Results from Your Training Budget, plus our free white papers, guidebooks, reports, training videos, blogs, newsletters, course information, plus much more at japan.dalecarnegie.com. If you have a performance or people challenge in Japan, then maybe we can help you. Contact me at greg.story, greg.story, STORY, at dalecarnegie.com. This is episode number 130, and today's title is Hustle, Baby, Hustle. Smart people in sales are a problem. They have expansive brains, intellectual curiosity, and strategic depth. They are quick to spot the big picture solutions for clients. Internally, they are a system police, fantastic on urging the fixing of the sales structures and suggesting necessary improvements. With Excel macro skills to burn, they can transform a simple spreadsheet information capture into a formidable machine. They are not what we need in the sales team. We need good hustle from our salespeople, not hustle in the sense of tricking clients into arrangements to secure a big commission or a fat bonus. Good hustle is about focus on getting commitments from buyers to proceed that will benefit the buyer because it will improve their business. This is usually not about long-term massive interventions, but about the practical improvements that can be executed quickly, that produce an immediate outcome. Getting the client to that point of agreement requires energy, lots of energy. That energy is needed to make the phone calls, to follow up on the leads which come through to the website from advertising, AdWord campaigns, social media outreach, etc. Also, contacting potential clients we have met at networking events, seeking referral clients, and selecting prospective clients to be contacted through cold calling. This is not exciting work. It is less thrilling than working at the 30,000 foot level, overviewing vast swathes of client territory. What is needed is the exact opposite. Meet, propose, meet, follow up, meet, gain commitment, follow up, and further follow up. This is down and dirty in the trenches, just digging, and more digging. Dull grunts in the sales army are not much help either. Clients need more consulting skills from salespeople than ever before, and that requires intelligence, analytic ability, clarity. Smart people have these attributes in full, but they tend to become bored with the grunt aspect of sales. Digging the trench is not as exciting as planning the complete reworking of the client's revenue-producing systems. The reality, though, is we need smart people who can hustle. They are motivated to serve the client and are equally motivated to sift through a lot of potential clients until they find a good match for the client need with their company's services. As we say in sales, you have to kiss a lot of toads before you find the handsome prince or beautiful princess. Finding and developing motivated toad kissers is not that easy. Smart people love to work on complex problems. Companies have the same problems with their engineers. They have to give them a diet of complex problems to keep them mentally stimulated and engaged. Smart salespeople are the same. The issue, though, for leaders is that everyone is pretty busy already. Holding salespeople's hands is usually outside the sales leader's job description. Sales demands a huge amount of internal motivation and hustle energy. You cannot inject the latter into staff. They have to produce it themselves. Dilettante, as a descriptor, has come to have a pejorative nuance to it, but it does describe a lot of smart people in sales. They are cultivating an area of interest in sales without the real commitment. The real commitment includes doing all of the dull digging and toad kissing required to find and satisfy clients. They often feel that is boring and below them. They typically seek the big transaction, the killer deal that breaks all the records. They want to start at the top and work their way up from there. This is where they are a problem for leaders and why they can burn up a lot of management time. Keeping them on track away from shiny objects, glitter, and bright lights takes up time which could be better spent elsewhere. It is a dilemma, balancing the needs of smart people with the reality that unglamorous work is the core basis for sales success. If we get it wrong, we pay a double penalty. They don't produce fast enough, and when they leave in frustration, we have to start again and find their replacement. Time, money, and stress are all required, which in fact are additional elements we shouldn't have to be bothered with. So, when selecting salespeople for the team, it is absolutely necessary that we find the right balance between big strategic thinking and good hustle, between macro and micro skill sets, and between textbook smart and street smart. Action steps from today. 1. Look for salespeople with a good dose of street smarts about them. 2. Ask questions about sales back office systems and see if their eyes light up. 3. Check that their work habits include a lot of unexciting grunt activity. Thank you for joining the Leadership Japan series. If you found the program useful, then please subscribe on iTunes and leave us a review. As mentioned, if you have a performance or people challenge in Japan, then maybe we can help you. Contact me at greg.story, S-T-O-R-Y, at dalecarnegie.com. Also, remember to access your Dale Carnegie training, free reports, white papers, guidebooks, training videos, blogs, newsletters, course information, plus much more, then go to japan.dalecarnegie.com.